Imagine a chief minister personally entering a crime scene to stop federal raid. This sounds like a movie scene, but ED alleges that this actually happened in West Bengal. And now Supreme Court of India is deciding an issue that could change the democracy of this country forever. Can a central agency sue a state, and if they can do so, can they do so under Article 32 of the Indian Constitution? So everything started on 8th of January 2026. ED raids various IPAC offices under a massive 2700 crore coal scam probe. Suddenly, Mamata Banerjee arrived with the state's top police officers. And ED alleges that their documents were taken, their phones were seized, and officers were intimidated. In response, the state is saying that three criminal FIRs have been filed, but against whom? Against ED officers themselves. So ED officers are saying that they have been terrorized, and the state is saying that the agency have been weaponized. In response to this issue, ED files a case before the Supreme Court of India under Article 32 of the Indian Constitution, that is the heart and soul of the Constitution. But the real legal drama arrives over here. So the state of West Bengal is saying that ED cannot be before Supreme Court of India under Article 32. Why? Because under Article 32, the right have been provided to person. And according to the West Bengal state, ED is a department within a department and do not have a right that is given to person under Article 32. If their fundamental right have been infringed, that they can approach the Supreme Court of India under Article 32. So in this case, the state is saying that this is a dangerous shortcut and this is a route to bypass High Court and that will destroy the federal structure of the country. But Supreme Court of India isn't buying it. They are raising a serious chilling question. Is there a constitutional vacuum over here? So they're saying that if the CM of a state is blocking the path and the police officers follow the CM, then who is there to protect the law? So in this case, the Supreme Court of India is saying that if an officer is wearing a uniform, then they're not losing their citizenship and they have fundamental right at that point also. So the Supreme Court of India is also saying that if there is any judicial vacuum or constitutional vacuum, then they will have to step in to protect the protectors. So in this case, Supreme Court of India have ordered to stay the FIR and also they have ordered to preserve the CCTV footage. So in this case, this is not just a dispute of the Bengal, but also arising disputes and similar disputes in Kerala and Tamil Nadu. So Supreme Court of India is deciding that whether ED, that is the Enforcement Directorate, is a weapon against corruption or is a weapon to surpass or bypass the sovereignty of the state. So stay tuned with this judgment and stay tuned with IMS also for many more videos like this. Thank you very much.